Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to create Java streams, do filter and do map. For this video, I have created 6 classes with easy examples from streams. We go to intro 1. We have the main class and elements. We print Java streams. We create a list of integers 8, 4, 6, 1, 2, 5, 3, 7 and 9. We create a stream from this list and print it out with elements from streams. What we do here, we pick and print the element out and create a list. Very simple. What's the result? You see we have 8, 4, 6, 1, 2, 5, 3, 7, 9 and the result is the same. So this stream does nothing, but it's an example. We go to intro 2. Here we have another example on how to create a stream. Again, we print Java streams and create a list of integers from an array list. Again, we create a stream from these numbers. And in the element, we do the same like before. We only print out one element by another and together two lists. We run and we have the same result of before, 8, 4, 6, 1, 2, 5, 3, 7, 9 and the end result. Intro 3. Again, another way to create a stream. Again, only pick and two lists. We run it and we have the same result. Intro 4. Here we create a stream of strings. It's all names. Again, the same method element. Do a pick and then everything to a list. Run it. Now we see all the names and the end result. Next class. Here we create objects. We have record of persons with ID, first name, last name, age. Here we create a list of persons and we create a stream. In the element method, we filter by age. And map, create a new person with the first name to uppercase and the last name to uppercase. The age and the ID stays the same. We run and we see the completed the list and then the result. We have only ID 2, Bob uppercase, Smith uppercase, ID 4 because the age is 35 and the age 28 and the first name and last name are all uppercase. Intro 6. Here we have another way of creating a stream by end stream range from 1 to 10. We do the element method. Here we have another way of filtering. Filter predicate 1 and predicate 2. Let's do predicate 1. See return all the elements greater than 3. The predicate do return all the elements smaller than 8. So that means the filter will do only 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then map, also a function, we go down, and what do the function? The result multiplied by 2. We run it, up, and here we see the result. Predicate 1, 2, 3 does nothing. 4, 5, 6, 7 does the function. 8 and 9 does nothing. And the result, so 4 become 8, 5 become 10, 6 become 12, and 7 become 14. That was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and see you later. Thank you very much.